It was getting very expensive to heat my home during the winter time. My home has gas heat, so I decided to look into a heat pump. I first received a letter from City of Tumwater and was informed that Energize Thurston has a meeting in Tumwater High School. The process went really well. It went so smooth and in time. Before I had my heat pump, the home was not heated evenly. And during the winter, the room would be really warm, nice and warm, but in the living room would be just cold. Right now, this home is very comfortable. During this fall, particularly right now, the temperature is dropping. My home stays warm. And during the summer, it's nice and cool, feels very comfortable. Coco loves this place right here. This is the best home upgrade that I have ever made. It's a wonderful program and it's a great resource for the community.